Welcome to Cozy English, your quiet space to absorb real English. Lie back, get comfortable, and let's practice speaking naturally while you rest. Stick around until the very end for a short, gentle quiz to lock in what you learned today. Let's begin.
Good morning, family. Today is Saturday.
Good morning, Dad. What are we doing today?
We're going to the mountains. We're going for a hike.
A hike? What is a hike?
A hike is a long walk in nature.
It will be a lot of fun. We will see lots of trees. We need to pack our bags.
What do we need, Mom?
We need water. It is very hot today.
I have my blue water bottle.
Good. We also need hats. Hats protect us from the sun.
I'm making food. We need food for the hike.
What are you making?
I am making sandwiches. Ham and cheese.
Yum. I love ham and cheese sandwiches.
We also have apples and bananas. Fruit is good for energy.
Put on your shoes, kids.
Can I wear my red sandals?
No, Anya. We are walking in the forest. You need strong shoes.
Okay. I will wear my brown boots. My boots are on. I am ready to go.
Is everyone in the car?
Yes. Let's go. How long is the drive, Dad?
It is a short drive. Only 30 minutes.
Look out the window. The sky is very blue today.
We are here. This is the mountain park.
Wow. The mountain is very big.
Let's get out of the car. Take your bags.
The air smells so fresh and clean.
Follow me. This is the trail.
What is a trail?
It is a path in the woods. We walk on the trail.
There are so many tall trees.
Yes, the trees are beautiful and green.
Sure. Listen. What is that sound? Look up. It is a small bird.
The bird is singing. It is an orange bird.
There's a squirrel, too. It is running up the tree.
Hello, little squirrel. Dad, I am tired. My legs hurt.
Okay, let's stop and rest.
Everyone drink some water. It is important to drink water.
Thank you, Mom. The water is cold and good.
Are we ready to walk again? The top is near. We are at the top.
Wow. Look down. Everything is so small. I see the river. I see the road.
It is a beautiful view. We walked a long way. Good job, kids. Let's sit here. It is time for lunch.
I am very hungry.
Here are the sandwiches. And here are the apples.
This is a fun picnic. Eating outside is nice.
It is time to go back to the car.
Walking down is easy.
Walk slowly, Miguel. Do not run. You might fall.
My legs are tired, but I am happy.
We're back at the car. Take off your boots.
You both did a great job today.
I am sleepy now. Me too. Can we go home and rest?
Yes. Let's go home and relax.
Now, let's move into the listen and repeat section. What are we doing today? Your turn. What are we doing today? Means asking about today's plan or activity. Second, we are going for a hike. Your turn. We are going for a hike. Means we are going to walk on a trail or in nature. Third, I have my blue water bottle. Your turn. I have my blue water bottle. Means I brought my blue bottle to drink water. Fourth, I am making sandwiches. Your turn. I am making sandwiches, meaning I am preparing food to eat. Fifth, put on your shoes, kids. Your turn. Put on your shoes, kids, meaning wear your shoes because it is time to go. 6, look out the window. Your turn. Look out the window means look outside through the window. 7, the sky is very blue today. Your turn. The sky is very blue today, meaning the weather is clear and sunny. The trees are beautiful and green. Your turn. The trees are beautiful and green, meaning the trees have healthy green leaves and look nice. 9, everyone drink some water. Your turn. Everyone drink some water, meaning it is time for everyone to have some water. Lastly, it is time to go back to the car. Your turn. It is time to go back to the car, meaning the hike is over and we are returning to the car. Great job! Now let's try a short and gentle quiz.
Where is the family going today? To the beach? To the mountains for a hike? To the zoo? Or to the shopping mall? To the mountains for a hike is the correct answer. What does Dad say a hike is? A long walk in nature? A ride on a bicycle? A swim in a river? Or a game in the park? A long walk in nature is the correct answer. Why does Mom say they need hats? To keep their heads warm? To protect them from the sun? To look nice in pictures? Or to carry food? To protect them from the sun is the correct answer. What food does Dad make for the hike? Pizza? Hamburgers? Ham and cheese sandwiches? Or hot dogs? Ham and cheese sandwiches is the correct answer. Why can't Anya wear her red sandals? They are too small? She forgot them at home? She needs strong shoes for the forest? Or they are dirty? She needs strong shoes for the forest is the correct answer. What animals does the family see on the trail? A bird and a squirrel? A deer and a rabbit? A bear and a fox? Or a dog and a cat? A bird and a squirrel is the correct answer. What does Mom tell everyone to do while resting? Eat lunch? Take a nap? Drink some water? Or play games? Drink some water is the correct answer. How do Miguel and Anya feel when they get back to the car? Excited to hike again? Sleepy and ready to go home? Hungry for dinner? Or scared to drive home? Sleepy and ready to go home is the correct answer.
Great job on the quiz. Great job today. You practiced real everyday English through a relaxing conversation. Little by little, your English is improving with every lesson. If you enjoyed relaxing and practicing English with us today, Feel free to subscribe for more cozy conversations. Thank you for spending time with Cozy English. Keep listening, keep relaxing, keep learning. You can come back anytime for another conversation. Cozy English is always here when you want to practice.